Good boy. Good morning, Michelle, or afternoon, wherever you are. Quick! Go on! Hi, Lena. It is absolutely freezing today. Hi, Dawn. Elena, I haven't had a chance to write to you, darling. I will. Look at Prince. Go and get it. Go on. Go and frighten the life out of Norman. Where is it, darling? Oh, God, I love this boy so much. I love him. Go and get it. Go on. Hi, Linda. It's freezing here. I bet Scotland's even colder. Leave him alone. Hello, Patty. Nice to see you. I think it's about 8 here, Elena. That's how cold it is. Hi, Fiona. Nice to see you. Hello, Ruth. Let's get this boy some toys. Where is it? Hello, Ellen. Hello, Helen. Ellen. It is very cold. I had to run out quickly to get some stuff for dinner. And I am frozen. Hello, Amber, darling. See what we've got for Prince. Go get it. Well, I hope it doesn't snow here while my mum's in hospital. Otherwise, I'll never get to see her. Come out and go back in, Patty. Where's it gone? Have we lost it again? Have we? Here I am, Patty. Oh, he's got it out. Oh, it's going onto the sofa. It's the last thing we need right now. Let's put it over here, Prince. There you go. Go and get it. Quick! Go on! Go and get it. Oh no, why, Amber? Up you get, Ruth, darling. Give the babies a big kiss from me. I hope you're all well. Where is it, darling boy? Should we try up there? That's better. Oh! Tom hasn't heard it yet. Whoops, it's gone. It's gone. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. This is all I do all day long, everyone. Chase little, whatever they are, centipede. It's actually not a centipede. It's actually called a moto mouse. Oh, we've got Pixie. Oh, have you got carpal tunnel? That's painful. I'm sorry, Amber. I wish these things would go in a straight line. Go and get it, Prince. Go on. Good boy. Hello, Lolita. Not good. I'll get one for Archie, Linda. Oh no. Hi, Kaylee. Pixie, where's your balls? Where's your balls, darling girl? What's this, Pixie? Auntie Elijah's here as well. Pixie. Ignorant. She's so ignorant. I saw. You know, people keep posting those copy and paste things or sharing stuff. If you don't share, blah, blah, blah. And the system picks it up. That's the whole idea, really. Hello, Heather. Mum's not well today. Very, very unwell. I'm waiting for the doctor to call me. Her legs are really swollen. She was in agony last night, just generally feeling unwell. So I had to tell the hospital off this morning because I saw that her legs were swollen last week on Friday. They took her down for an x-ray. All they've done is increase her Lasix to get rid of all the water. So, you know, even the things that they send through, Patty, you know, in the PMs, all that crap, it picks it up. Keep telling them, do not send me stuff like that. But people just don't listen. It's like when I say, please don't share my photos without leaving a like or a comment on my pictures. But they still do it. It's like talking to a brick wall. Hi, Nancy. And she's off. Yeah, I'm waiting for the doctor to call. See what's going on. Prince, can I turn that off now? It's really noisy. He hears noise. He's got a ball up his bum, look. A blue one. Hi Janelle, nice to see you, darling. Prince, your favourite ball from Ludipus. Which one do you want now? It doesn't take much to just leave a comment on our photos. I don't know. I'm not going to even ask anymore. I'm trying to get over onto Instagram a bit more. So, oh hi Rebecca, hi Jill. Oh, is that tiring? Bye Linda. Have a nice day, darling. Love you. Get it. Go and get it. Come on. He's a blue point, Kaylee, so yeah, it does look a bit like that sometimes. Round his back, his feet, his face. But he's so chubby. He's chubby. Hello. That Prince is just handsome, Auntie Elijah. But he's a bully. He's a big, big bully. Aren't you, darling? But Mummy loves bullies. I do. I do. I love my bully boy. Hi, Jessica. You know you're not a bully. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. What's this? What's this? What's Mummy got? What is this? Go get it. Go. That was me shaving it. Do you remember? Look how much it's grown. Oh, it needs another one, to be honest. It's so soft. Come back. I know. It's like, what are you saying to me? How dare you? Oh, he's got it in his mouth. That noise is driving me mad, Jill. But, you know, the cats come first. Oh, do you know what I love about cats? Is the way they touch things. Their paws are so elegant. Look, everything's so nice. Thank you, Kaylee. He melts mine as well. I've got this toy here. I think it's a blue lady bird. We call them ladybirds here in the UK. Oh, now he's confused. Where's it gone? Come out and go back in, Elijah. Where is it, Prince? How are you, Nancy? Prince is certainly a hunter. Where is it, Prince? Yeah, there's plenty in this house, Kaylee. I always shave Prince, Norman and Uggs. Norman hates being groomed, so instead of him getting mats, I just shave him. Oh, that damn toy. Yeah. Where is it? Look. Go and get it. Oh, I know, Nancy. It's horrible this year. Started off bad. Which... Nope, it's right here. There you go. Go and get it, Norman. Oh! Oh! Norman's unsure. Oh, he doesn't like it. Oh, he does. He just doesn't want it near him. Yep, Norman jumpers with love hearts on them, Jill. There's Pixie. Hello. Hey, madam. It's all doom and gloom out there today. Look, the weather is horrible. It's grey. Yep, just my luck. You should... The amount of batteries we go through. Here's Pixie. Do you want to have a sniff? Very cold, Patty. This one's stuck. Prince, look at the ladybird. Oh, no. Did everyone know that Pixie's on Tinder now? Oh yeah, that would be... Oh. That would be a nightmare for me, Nancy, visiting my mum. She's not very well at all today. Look at that boy. Of course she is. He's hilarious. I'm going to turn this toy off for a little while. I was born in London, my darling. I know it shows New York on my Facebook page, but Julia sat on my keyboard one day and he changed all my settings. And I keep forgetting to put it back. Can't be bothered, actually. I know, it's really awful, Nancy, what we're going through. I'm starting to have breathing problems again. Pixie's wondering where her ball's gone. Pixie, what's this, darling girl? Go get it. I was born here, Amber, 57 years ago. Pixie. Go on. Oh, Prince likes... Oh, it's gone. Thanks, Prince. Go and get it. Do you think you can get under there? Don't you dare hit her. He's a bad boy. Where's the ball? Where is it? No, I'm not in New York. I wish I was. There you go, Jill. You've got a good son like mine. Norman. Where's my little baby boy? Where's my little boy? Norman only seems to like one toys or feather toys. Doesn't really join in with anything else. Which one's Amber? Hello, Diane. Oi, you! Stop that. Just try to chew the lights. Get down, you bad girl. She's having a nice old chew again. You know you're not supposed to do that. Give her wires and plastic and she's so happy. Oh, thank you, Prince. Right, everyone, I'm going to go and hide Rosemary. I know he's sleeping on his catnip bag that Janie sent us. The clip ones. These things. These ones. I'm not sure, actually. I've had these for years. I've had these since Tom was a baby. Can't even remember what they're called. Junior sleeping, Diane. She doesn't care, Elijah. Oh, hi, Connie. I've just seen you. Right, I'm going to let these babies relax a bit. Let them fall asleep and wrap up some parcels and clean and phone the hospital and all sorts of things to do today. And I'll be back later, maybe. Who knows? Bye, everyone.